memories was event days. During these event days, my friends and I made something, played games, and took pictures in the library and gym. We also get yummy snacks and lunches. Next, another favorite memories of mine was gym time. During gym time, my classmates and I had so much fun doing stretches and playing games like sharks, zombies, walking challenge, floor is lava, soccer, and air bounce. Lastly, my happiest memory was break time at Poly. During break time, I made houses out of paper and played with my friends using characters we brought from home. We talked and played with together. Sometimes our teacher showed us cool videos too. Even though I have already graduated, I still miss my days at Poly. Thank you for listening to my speech. Bye-bye.